We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Lexmark MX517 printer. The problem we've been having is whenever we're making copies or scans, we're getting some lines and blemishes on our pages, and that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the scanner, and you'll notice there's two separate pieces of glass. You have a large flatbed scanner for doing your face down copies, and there's a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. And what that's for is actually whenever you're doing copies or scans from this top document feeder, all that's being scanned in the small strip of glass here on the left. So depending on when you're seeing those blemishes occurring, that'll help you troubleshoot which piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on. And then once you have that figured out, you need a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. Other than that, the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply the cleaner directly to the glass on top of the printer. If you do that, you run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and then you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply the cleaner directly to your cloth, not to the glass on the printer. After that, we're just going to go ahead and wipe down the glass, making sure to remove any dust, fingerprints, any ink, whiteout, tape, anything like that is really common to find on top of the glass. Just wipe everything off really well. Some things can be a little bit more stubborn, so you might have to go over them a few more times. And then once you're happy with the way everything looks, you can kind of give it one more visual inspection. Make sure you don't see anything on the glass. If you do, just go back over them until you're happy with the way everything looks. And then I would recommend doing a test copy or a test scan. And I would actually try both methods, both the face down copy and using the top document feeder, just to make sure you're happy with the results from both and that you're not still getting any blemishes. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, then you're good to go. If you notice you're still getting little faint blemishes or lines, and there's still probably something on that glass that's a little harder to see, just go ahead and repeat that cleaning process one more time. That should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.